Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the Neato Robotics D4. The Neato Robotics D4 has a textured top and measures 3.9 by 13.2 by 12.6 inches. While it's a little bit on the tall side, this robotic vacuum has a state-of-the-art navigation system. It's designed to clean virtually any type of floor with minimal difficulty. The start button can be found on the front bumper, along with 2 indicator lights for battery life and Wi-Fi connectivity. Underneath there is a wide combo roller brush, swivel wheels, and 2 main treads. This vacuum's charging contacts are on the back. When you buy this device, you can also expect to get a charging dock, extra filter, and a combo brush. Setting it up doesn't take a long time, and is very simple. You will have to download the Neato app on your Android or Apple smartphone or tablet. Once you have synced the device with your phone or tablet, you can control it remotely. The laser smart technology that this robot vacuum uses maps your house to navigate more effectively. You can control this device remotely with your smartphone, tablet, or other Wi-Fi enabled device. The brush that comes with this device will allow for efficient cleaning to get the job done faster. Some of the pros of this robot vacuum include versatile design. This robot vacuum can clean effectively on almost any type of flooring without any issues. Excellent navigation. The laser mapping system that this device uses makes it easy for you to navigate around even the most cluttered areas. Smart charging. The smart charging feature means that it doesn't take long to fill up this device's batteries. One con of this robot vacuum is that the overall battery life could be a bit longer. Coming in at around $500, the Neato Robotics D4 is one of the most impressive robot vacuums on the market. It has an attractive external design and uses a sophisticated laser mapping system to increase efficiency. If you are looking for an easy way to keep your floors at home clean, this product is a great investment. You can control it remotely with your smartphone or even Apple Watch for added convenience. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and this video helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check the links in the description down below. Till next time, I'll see you later.